Hey guys, what's back with me? Subscribe. We have the RC cars from Hobbytown. I don't know how to get this shot, so I'm just trying. But I can't get it close up. Whoa! Why did it have my skateboard? Okay.
Thank you. Please, can you look at the sound, please?
Why? There's camera issues.
Oh yeah.
Guys, this is not easy. I try and hold the tablet at the same time and do this. I mean, not gonna get good shots. Bryce! Go! Yeah, it won't work. Too big. Bro, I need a luminate RC car. I'm gonna get some shots in my head. Oh man, the tablet is falling. Can I get this? I need something to hammer with. Like, I wish I had a GoPro now. Yeah, I'm sorry.
You gotta just put the tire up against it first. There you go. Yeah. Hey, he's going into history.
Oh, I wish I could tow this thing. Yeah, I need something It takes so many clips to do this for you guys. Here it goes. Yeah, bye guys, I'm gonna cut the video now. I'll make more.